Watch this, watch this.
I forget.
Bryce the rice. Oh!
That's cool. Yeah.
Keep it here.
I was,
Watch this, watch this.
Bryce stole my sock! Bryce!
I gotta do this.
Bryce, why'd you steal my sock? Give the sock now! Yes,
This is gonna be so.
somebody pull that sock out of here.
Oh my gosh, it's a poor
Oh no. Oh my. Right? I'm gonna set the camera up right here, okay? Good night! Give me a sock! He got her sock, and he went back there. He's right there. Give me that. Give me. Give it.
you guys got to move away from it. Don't come out.
This is Bro's sock.
You're going to rip it, buddy.
Get it?
Yeah, see, he thinks you're playing with him.
Drop it.
Bring him over here. Bring him over here. You hold the sock. There you go.
No, no.
Now he's going to get the other one.
Where?
Hey, come here, toy. Like a jumping wheel.
Yeah, the guy! He jumped in the perfect spot though. Okay guys, let's play Bryce. Did I get that on video? Bryce! Bryce's! Bryce! Bryce! Bryce!
Please don't fall on him. Yeah, he's fighting that door. Get him hyped up. That's what he does. That's what you wanted, bud. Get his toes, Bryce. Cut him off. You thirsty, bud.
Bryce! Bryce! Hey guys, look.
Stop. Yeah. Stop doing it. Lucian, just stop. Just stop. Stop. Just stop. Stop. See, he's showing you what he's gonna do to you with your bones.
Oh, you got it.
Stop! Please! No, please! Please!
That's enough. That's enough.
He's just like
Yeah, I know.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.